we have our turnable horsehair brush. The horsehair, as you can see along there, is ideal for hard surfaces, tiles, lino. It's a turnable brush and it's designed that way. If you see, if you go to hit the side of the corners or anything like that, it's just going to give it a little gentle bend along the way. Now this tool here, this one is your horsehair and this one is your PP hair. So exactly the same tool, just with different bottoms. So this one here, the PP hair, this is designed for carpets, mats, to get right in there. These are our 32s, and we also have them in 35s. So exactly the same. They're a beautiful design, these floor tools. Easy to just maneuver around nice and neatly. Whereas you can even go all the way and go right along the edges of your walls and that way too. So the horsehair is more suitable for hard floors, lino, tiles, bathroom. It's a bit softer. You can even use it on concrete floors. And then the plastic, the PP hair, this one here is designed for carpets, rugs, offices, all that type of thing, all those sorts of areas. Same again, these tools will just go right around, you know, instead of you like that, you can just pull them along. So this one, well, these particular floor tools will connect quite easily with all of our tools that we have here at Epic Distributors. So that's your 32, that's your 35. We have all of these available in stock. To purchase any of our products, simply add them to your cart and head over to checkout. Enter your details and shipping address, select your preferred shipping method, choose your payment option and click place order. And here's the best part, if you place your order before 2 p.m, you'll receive it the very next working day. Please note, delivery is unavailable on weekends.